I think what Internet of Things is going to do for the man in the street is make everything more simple, make everything more easy to understand. It's going to allow people to make more informed decisions about things. It's going to allow them control. Ultimately, what Internet of Things is doing is connecting and creating ecosystems that add value to people's lives. And what's interesting about the movement and the way things are growing is we're finding amazing new ways as to how Internet of Things is really adding value in multiple different industries, from the basic day-to-day life in your home to advanced medical, and allowing you to take that kind of connected information and actually behave healthier and be better and live better. And that's really interesting. I think ultimately what it's going to come down to is Internet of Things is going to help people live better. I think it's an issue of education. It's an issue of understanding what Internet of Things is, what it can do. It's quite ethereal in its nature. So contextualizing it is incredibly important. And I think the people that are going to dominate in this sector and the businesses that are going to create the most value out of it is understanding how they contextually make it relevant to their business. And that's a challenge because ultimately we're pushing new boundaries every day, and the opportunities that's being created from the conceptual idea of Internet of Things are just endless. So what I think is going to happen is more and more organizations are actively going to dedicate resource to people that help them understand it. So there's going to be an individual within the organization whose job it will be to help educate the senior team and the sales team and the commercial team as to how is this going to benefit our business contextually. And I think that's the biggest challenge. So we're a brand new startup. We started about 6 months ago. Meshh was created around the idea that we could deliver rich digital content to mobile and tablet devices without the internet and or a data connection. There's a real problem in the amount of content and the richness of content in scenarios like exhibitions, events and environments means that it's a real challenge for people to access that content and pull it down fast using standard 3G, 4G and internet. So what we've designed is a fusion of hardware and software which creates a platform that allows mobile phones to effectively pull content fast down from effectively a local server, meaning they can download an entire sales presentation like the sales brochure of this exhibition in a few seconds. They can take it away on their phone or their tablet and they don't need anything with print. What it means is that every single one of the exhibitors in this hall could effectively store all of their rich 4K videos, their sales brochures, any kind of incentivization vouchers, literally on a content cloud which is stored locally. So it's brilliant value add for environments where it's all about trying to deliver data to digital devices without using existing Wi-Fi or internet. The two words are disruptive innovation. It's the opportunity to change how things currently work and modify them for the better. And look at the opportunities that are being created as a result of this network to disrupt and to create whole new commercial opportunities and value-added relationships in people's lives.